Hello, welcome back to Terry channel, and I'm Terry from the Terry channel, of course. So today's we are going to have some fun creating the glitch effect. It's very simple. So the glitch effect combines the screen tearing, RGB channels, and something like splitting. And I'm gonna add some scan lines pattern to this image, so it will look perfect to this glitch effect. So I have an image on this folder, and I'm gonna drag this to the canvas. So I'm gonna use this image and apply the glitch effect to it, but yeah, don't worry, you can use any image to apply this glitch effect. Alright, so let's go into the Photoshop and begin by converting this image from color to black and white, something like grayscale. So you can go up to the image menu, adjustments, black and white, and make a duplicate of the layer by pressing Ctrl-Z for Windows or Command-Z for Mac, and double click the new layer to edit the layer style because we're going to wipe out the red channel. So double click the new layer to edit the layer style and click the small box for the red channel to deselect it. And hold and nudge the new layer left or right using the keyboard cursor keys to offset this layer from the original. Now you can see the channels are split. The channels are split and the photo has a glitch-like appearance. So it's like the image comprises or contains the red, green, blue color channels that went out of the bounds. I hope you understand what I'm saying. And select the marquee tool and draw a rectangle across the portion of this image, something like this, and use the move tool and nudge the selection left or right to offset it, and then go to the select menu, deselect to remove the selection. And now you can repeat this process elsewhere, and you can also use the keyboard shortcut to speed up the things, to speed up the process. So you can use the keyboard shortcut, so you can press M for the marquee tool, V for the move tool, and Command Z or Control Z for deselect. Don't forget to mix up the direction when you offset the selection, so this effect will look perfect. And if you are done, we can add a scan lines. We are going to add the scan lines. So yeah, so we can add a new layer and click the small box and then pick white color. So I'm gonna fill this new layer with white color, and then press the keyboard shortcut Alt Delete for Windows, or you can press Command Backspace for Mac. Yeah, and then you can go to the filter menu and choose the filter gallery, and under the sketch category choose the halftone patterns and change the pattern type to lines. Then max out the contrast and make sure the pattern look like a scanline pattern. And then next change this canvas layers blending mode to overlay to allow this image to show through, so the image can be visible behind the scan lines. And I'm gonna go with 25% for the field value to make the image can easily be seen. Next I'm gonna add some color to this image, and you can use any color. I'm gonna choose the gradient map. And then overlay the color, so it will give this image a cool glitch effect. And now we got this final result, the scary glitch effect. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and subscribe to my channel to stay tuned for more. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.